Did you know that some houseplants can do more than just make your home look beautiful? They can purify the air, boost your mood, and even improve your health. In this video, we're diving into the 10 healthiest plants you can have in your home, backed by research and practical experience. Let's jump right in. Snake plant. First up, we have the snake plant, also called the mother-in-law's tongue. According to NASA's Clean Air study, this plant is a powerful air purifier, removing toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. What makes it unique is its ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, unlike most plants that only do this during the day. This feature makes it one of the best plants for improving air quality in bedrooms. Peace lily. The peace lily is not just beautiful with its elegant white blooms, it's also a super efficient air cleaning machine. Research shows that it can absorb harmful toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde, making your indoor air safer to breathe. It's ideal for homes with low light conditions and requires only occasional watering. Its ability to remove airborne mold spores also makes it a great choice for bathrooms. Aloe Vera. Want a plant that does double duty? Aloe Vera is not only great for purifying the air, but also offers medicinal benefits. Its gel is well known for soothing burns, cuts, and skin irritations, and it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Studies show that aloe vera is also effective at removing formaldehyde and benzene from the air, which are common pollutants from cleaning products and paints. Pothos. The pothos plant, or devil's ivy, is a favorite for its resilience and air cleaning capabilities. It can remove toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, which are often found in carpets and furniture. This plant can survive in a variety of lighting conditions, from low light to bright, indirect light, and only needs watering when the soil is dry. Its long, trailing vines make it perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves, adding both style and health benefits to your space. Fiddle Leaf Fig. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is a trendy choice for plant enthusiasts, but it's not just about looks. Its large, lush leaves are highly effective at removing toxins from the air, contributing to a cleaner and healthier home environment. Studies suggest that having plants like the Fiddle Leaf Fig in your home can improve concentration and productivity. It does require a bit more care, preferring bright, indirect sunlight and regular watering, but the effort is well worth it. Spider plant. The spider plant is a classic indoor plant, known for being incredibly easy to grow. According to NASA's research, it's great at removing harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene from the air. Spider plants are non-toxic, making them a safe choice for homes with pets or children. Boston fern. If you're looking to improve humidity levels in your home, the Boston fern is an excellent choice. It's particularly beneficial in dry climates or during winter, when indoor air tends to be dry due to heating. Studies show that Boston ferns can help relieve dry skin, throat irritation, and other symptoms caused by low humidity. They also filter out air pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is not only a beautiful addition to your home with its large, glossy leaves, but it's also a champion at removing airborne toxins. It's particularly effective at absorbing carbon dioxide and converting it into oxygen, which helps maintain a healthier indoor environment. Its striking appearance makes it a great focal point in any room, and it thrives in bright, indirect light with minimal watering. Areca palm. The areca palm is often referred to as the living room plant because of its ability to thrive indoors and its size, which makes it ideal for larger spaces. It's one of the best plants for increasing humidity in the air, which can help prevent dry skin and respiratory problems. English ivy. Finally, we have English ivy, a versatile plant that's excellent at filtering out airborne mold and allergens. A study from the American College of Allergy found that English ivy can reduce airborne mold particles by up to 78% in just 12 hours. This makes it an ideal plant for anyone with allergies or asthma. It's also easy to care for, thriving in moderate light and requiring minimal watering. These 10 plants were carefully chosen because of their scientifically proven health benefits and their ability to thrive indoors. They're not just decorations, they're natural air purifiers, mood boosters, and even humidifiers, making them essential for a healthier home. Which one of these plants do you already have, or which one are you planning to add to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.